Hey up YouTubers, how are we? Hope you're all keeping safe out there. Well, some of us didn't, did we? Currently at the moment, I'm in day 7 of being tested positive for COVID-19. Everything seems okay. So I didn't think we'd get a video out this week, but seeing as it was last Saturday, I tested positive. I've had all week off. Weird thing, bit strange. You don't want to be getting it. Everything seems to be a little bit better now. Day 7, feeling a lot better today than I have done for the last 7 days. Anyway, enough about me. It's all about you guys and girls. Thanks to all you subscribers that have been subscribing lately. We've done about 65, I think, in the last 30 days, which is awesome. Thanks very much. If you're new here, don't forget, click that subscribe button, ring that bell. Every time I upload a video, you will get a notification. You better watch another awesome video similar to the one you're going to watch now. So, sit back. This week, part 2 of the CCM ride that we did a few weeks ago, down at Barrow and Furness, up over the tops. It's nice scenery, bit of history, the usual sort of stuff. Fancy a bit of that? Stick around. Stay tuned. Pokerbeck Reservoir. No trout fishing in there. Oh yeah, you can just see Arlock there. So we've got Arlock, Pennington, Poker, trout fishing in there as well. I think this supplies some of Manchester's water as well, if I remember rightly. There's Morecambe Bay. Oh, right in front of you. It might be, there you can see the Isle of Man. I don't think you'll be able to see it. It's a little bit far away, but with my naked eyes I can see the Isle of Man. I'll see if I can zoom in on it. Over there. Now this little reservoir here was used for the iron ore industry, which is just down in this valley, which the Furness area used to be, talking 1800s here, used to be the biggest producers and the best producers of the best iron ore in the world. And there's still a lot down there. Because they went deeper and deeper, the biggest cost of getting it out was pumping the water out. There you go, a bit of heritage for you. There's one of the old original tracks, I think that was taken out of Daylight Hall, I think, which is over there, which we're going to go to one day. So this is the village of Marton, probably the epicentre in the 1800s of iron ore. Used to be a pub. I think there used to be 3 pubs here in this little village. Now there isn't any. Used to be a shop there, used to be the post office. sun comes out. So Pokerbeck Reservoir that we looked at before, that there is the filter and pump house for the reservoir. We'll basically come on the other side of it. So that's where we were before, up there. Over, that's Blackcomb, the other side of Millen. And down, I think they call it Islet Hill. More windmills. A bit windy around here. Might get a sneak preview. Yeah, we will, probably. Yeah, just Islet trout fishing ponds, top and bottom. Good trout fishing around. So I'm hoping the quality of this picture is a little bit better. We're going to live in hope. We'll see what happens. That's if it's still recording. Recording when I came out of the house. Fully charged battery, so it should be alright for the 20 minutes, half an hour. Shouldn't be a problem. So this is Islet. Petrol station's open, is it? It's got a bit of fuel, I think. Funny fuel tap, not fuel tap. Funny fuel filler cap. Push it down, quarter turn off, and it just spins off, just like that. Do another look. Look at that. And wheels glinted in this sun. She is a bonny bike. She is. A bonny bike. So yeah, the fuel light just came on there, so I thought, well, we might as well get some fuel while we're at it. Downside, it's 30 mile an hour this. Don't want to be done for speeding, do we? Level crossing for the west coast, well, not the west coast main line, just the west coast line. So Askham and Isleth village. That was Isleth, that's more Askham on the right hand side, over the other side of the railway bridge. So going down these manholes would be a bit better, wouldn't it? There, sir. So just up on here on the right hand side you can see the chimney. Some people may say chimney. I can't really do it, mate. I can't get through that. Gee. These Askham brickworks, and they make really good bricks for building houses with. And over there is where they dig it from. Roadkill. Well, badges about at the moment, dead on the road. It is round here anyway. Do you know the further east you go in Europe, the less badges you get? You know the main diet of badgers is earthworms, and the reason that the UK, or Great Britain, what you want to call it, has a great population of badger is because it rains quite a lot, and we have a lot of earthworms. things you remember, huh? Yeah. So further east you go through Europe, France, Germany, etc., the less and less badgers there are. Looks like we've got a few less round here because they all can keep getting run over. So I've just turned on we were on the A591, so I've just turned on to the A590 or the A590. I'm just heading into Barrow into Furness. Barrow in Furness. People call it Barrow in Furness.
butterscotch. Well, what Scots is it? Somebody else. Them lot who make your toilet paper. Andex. So hands up who would like to see where we build nuclear submarines in Barrow and Furness. So we're going to have a look. Why not while we're here? So you can see the big shed in front of you, Devonshire Dock Hall. That's where they're all put together. So if you went to the council now and says you'd like to build nuclear submarines in the middle of your town, the council would probably turn you down, wouldn't they? So we've got Brewers Fair here, we've got McDonald's just here, and we've got, this is the place where we build. The big new building there is the nuclear facility. Big building in front of you. It's the assembly shed where they cut all the steel, weld it all together, send it down the Devonshire Dock Hall to fit out. This is a new assembly shed. What size of that thing? The building here on the left is where the systems armaments, where all the self-propelled howitzers are put together. And here, got slow enough. It is the front of the Devonshire Dock Hall. They bring the submarines out. That, on the right hand side, is where they take them out to the sea. So YouTubers, just a bit of a Sunday bimble out again. A bit of scenery, a bit of history. What's going on in Barrow and Furness with the submarine contract. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please press that button down there, ring that bell every time I upload a video. You boys and girls will get a notification. If there's anything you'd like to comment on, anything you'd like to know about the area, anything you'd like to know about the Lake District, anything at all, please comment down below. And as they say, stay safe, keep safe, ride safe, and we'll see you soon.